All right, guys, we got a 2021 Audi S5. Sexy vehicle. He brought his own MBRP system we're gonna put on it. But this is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. And it's got the sport resonators from the factory. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 92, 91.82. Again. So we'll let you guys hear it after we put the MBRP system on it. Audi S5. As you guys can see, really sexy car. Coupe. What we got done on it. Factory converters up there and up there. Then it's got sport resonators there. And then he brought his own MBRP system right there in the box. We installed it for him all the way back. On each side, 2.5. There's the MBRP mufflers. One there and one there. And then some quad tips out the back. Carbon fiber, as you guys can see right there. Staggered. Really sexy. Really nice. There. And there's the part number on the tips. I don't know if they sell them separately or not, but if you guys like the tips by themselves, that's the part number. Whoa. There's the factory exhaust system that we took off. There's the resonator and the two mufflers. And then they sell these little adapters that take away the valve system. That's usually on this car. There and there. And the part number is right there. I don't know, maybe. It's either there. Let's see over here. Yeah, here it is. There's a part number on it, on the MBRP system. There will be a link in the description if we can find you one, guys. Okay? And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's nice. Not bad. That's how an Audi should sound. Your sound decibels. Again. 91 still. Still the same decibel.
Yeah, it's not quiet.
Yeah. Huh. Again. I'd recommend taking the two front resonators out to open this system up. What I would do is drive it for a week, make sure there's no drone, you know, before you do that. Again? Yeah, it was, the decibels were loud before. Yeah. Go ahead and back it out. That's surprising. Audi S5 2021 with an MBRP system. He said he's gonna put it in sport and floor it for us. So let's see. Full catback system.